you eaten yet? You haven't? Let's get cooking.
Today, we're going to make Baechu Jeon 2 ways. Baechu Jeon, which means Chinese cabbage pancake, it's extremely easy to make, but it's also very delicious. You'll be so surprised. For the standard Baechu Jeon, we need Chinese cabbage and Korean pancake mix. If you don't have any Korean pancake mix, don't worry, I added the ingredients here for you to make some. The second version we're going to do, a seafood Baechu Jeon, so I got mixed seafood and some chilies. For the sauce, you must have soy sauce and vinegar. The rest is optional, and I added onion, spring onion, sesame seed, and chilies. The leaves need to stay flat for them to fry. Make a cut on the bottom part where it arches. Use the dull side of your knife and gently tap the cabbage. Slice the red and green chili. We're going to use 1/3 on the pancake and the rest in the sauce. Finally, slice the spring onion and onion. To make the sauce, add all of the vegetables and sesame seed in a bowl. Remember to leave some chili on the side as we're using it for garnish on the seafood pancake. Add the soy sauce and the vinegar and give it a good mix. Chop the seafood in smaller size so we can spread it evenly and cook quicker. In a wide container, add the Korean pancake mix and add the water. You want the batter to be thick so the ingredient will stick on the cabbage well. Coat the cabbage in the batter one by one, and it's easy if you do it by hand. With the leftover batter, mix the seafood as well. Heat the pan on medium with a good drizzle of oil. The idea is to fry the Baechu Jeon. Let's start with the standard Baechu Jeon. Lay the inside flat down on a frying pan. I press the thick side at the beginning to help it flatten and cook better. Let the cabbage cook at least 3 minutes on each side and keep cooking until golden brown. Super easy, right? Before frying the next pancake, clean the pan and add plenty of oil again. This time, the seafood Baechu Jeon. I'm going to lay 3 cabbage side by side with the inside facing up because I want to make sure the seafood won't fall out. Garnish with the chili. I will use the turner to help me cook the thick part by pressing it down. It is important to flip when you know your bottom is crispy and brown, as it is hard to flip with all the seafood on top. You can slightly have a peek with the turner. Once you flip the seafood facing down, give it a good press in between and make sure there is enough oil on the pan for it to fry. Last flip, and voila! 짜잔! Baechu Jeon. Which one do you prefer? I love the standard one as it is so crispy on the outside, but how can you ever say no to seafood too? The best way to eat it is by tearing it up in strips with your hands and dip it in the sauce. Also, many people eat jeon with makgeolli, a Korean rice wine. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 안녕!